One of the great things about getting your own bike is making it yours and really putting your own stamp on it. And today I'm going to be taking a look at the suspension and making some adjustments for me and my weight on the bike. Let's have a look. Remove your pannier, left and the right side. There's a bit of work to do on both sides. Open the top box, undo the bolts and lift it off. Once you've that done, you've full access to the right hand suspension. In your toolkit you would have got a spanner that looks like this. That will help you adjust the suspension. There's two rings up here. The top one is your locking ring and the bottom is how you make the adjustment. The first thing you got to do is loosen the top ring and bring it all the way up to the top. I have the bike in gear and support at the front, and I'm gonna hold it to make sure I don't push it forward. It's a little bit tough. Once you get that locking nut done, you want to twist it all the way right up to the top, which mine is at, and you can see that this suspension is set wrong. There should be a distance between these and there's not. Referring to the manual, I'll put a picture up on the screen now. What you're going to do is then adjust the ring underneath the balance for whatever weight that you and the bike are going to be carrying at any given point in time. So I'm going to go and have a look at mine. Brought the iPad with me. And in the manual, when I go down to have a look at the chart, I am 90 kilos and then I have about, I don't know, 5 kilos of gear when I'm riding. So let's call it 95 kilos. And I come in at roughly 95 kilos. I'm carrying no extra weight. There should be a 9mm gap between these two. From the top of the adjusting ring to the bottom of the locking ring, I'll have it in at 9mm. When you've that done, you can take the locking ring, the top one, bring it back down with the locking in place. You should be able to adjust that by hand. And when you get where it needs to go, just give it a little tighten. There we go. That's it, done on this side. On the left side of the bike, I've done the same as well. I have removed the pannier and you've got a quick adjustment knob for setting the suspension here, but this is more so for the cargo of the bike. So if I'm loading up the bike and going traveling for a couple of days, there's a fast adjustment available on the left hand side. So to have this set, adjust it right out. So it's down at 0. I don't know if you can see there's a numbering on the scales there. Go in and look at what you are going to be carrying as an everyday weight on the back of the bike. So you should be able to see this here. I'll be carrying about 5 kilos in just a normal day. That's just the gear sitting in the back of the bike. So if you're 5 kilos, you're looking at 1 turn. And just to note on this, 1 turn is 2 full clicks. 1, 2. So that will be set there for what I'm looking for. And that's it. We'll see how this goes and then we'll see if we want to make any more further adjustments. Put your 2 panniers back on and you're ready to rock.